That's what I call racing right there.
Well, I'm stuck here paving this stinking road. Chicks in California schmoozing Dynaco. My Dynaco.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Who's touching me?
Oh, this is hard. Pull up, pull up! Steady, steady. Land this plane. Got it, lost it, got it.
We're the Mountain Rescue Team!
I'm Mark.
Hold still! I'm gonna pull you up!
Thank you, Heli. Heli, can you check out the road sign over on the coast road? I heard it got knocked down.
Gen 4, that's pilot speak for okay. Operation Find Your Friend Diesel is a go.
You know, Thomas, I don't think I can tell what it is just from the shape. Phew! That was close!
Soon enough we will figure out what this monster is all about.
Those cobwebs got in my mouth!
Wait, that tickles.
Chase is so Rawr! Scuba mode! Rawr! Winch! Harness! Just
I know you. You're that fella from the karate demonstration.
I never properly introduced myself. Finn.
okay, I got it. Oops. Surprise! Yay, yay, yay! Surprise!
Will you turn that disrespectful junk off?
Respect the classics, man. It's hand.
It's okay, buddy. Ooh, hey, look.
I'm from planet Zip Zerp. Blah, 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 blah.
Hey, Cruz, you were flying.
Thanks.
You really had it rolling today.
That was cool.
Thank you.
Hey, Cruz, your blinker's on.
It is? Oh, you got me. Very funny.
Gentlemen, Sheriff.
Hey, Sheriff.
You have 3 piston cups. How could you?
I knew you couldn't drive. I didn't know you couldn't read.
You're the Hudson Hornet.
Wait over it flows, like I told you.
Of course, I can't believe I didn't see it before. You're the fabulous Hudson.
Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like this in years.
Well, then let's cruise, baby.
Lord.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Holy Portia. She's got to be from my attorney's office. Hey, thanks for coming, but we're all set. He's letting me go.
He's letting you go?
Yeah, your job's pretty easy today. All you have to do now is stand there and let me look.
Over here. Hey, what was your strategy today?
Strategia. Francesco needs no strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass him, then win. Francesco always wins. It's a ball.
Harley? It's a good thing we came in time, Kana. Your brake line is broken.